We're here in Independence Mall in Cambodia for the Walk of Peace. The war between Cambodia and Thailand has just been going too long. How you doing? Akon. So how long has this been going on?
I'm not sure.
How long war?
Almost 200 years. Yeah. Now we just have a peace for 10 years, 15 years. Now war coming again. So we are sorry for our people, for my country. It's so sad.
Yeah. No school.
No school. Children run away from bomb. You see, at the border, the children know not innocent. They know nothing. Just studying in the school, and the bomb comes. How do you feel? Mother, spread, father from home.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My brother, have a good day. Thank you. Thank you.